Recipe Management Made Simple. Streamlining recipe management ensures consistency and efficiency in your operations. This guide outlines the steps to add, edit, archive, and search for recipes in your system, making it easier to maintain quality and organization in your processes. 1. Add a recipe. To add a recipe, press the +Add button. A window titled Add Recipe will appear. Fill in the following details. Name. Enter the name of the recipe. Ingredients. Select ingredients from the drop-down list to include in the recipe. Temperature rules. Specify the required temperature during cooking, chilling, or packing. Composite. If the recipe is composite, tick the box and link it to the composite ingredient. Once all details are filled in, press Add to save the recipe. 2. Edit a recipe. To make changes to a recipe, press the Edit button next to the recipe. A window titled Edit Recipe will appear. Update the recipe details as needed. Press Update to save your changes. 3. Archive a recipe. To remove a recipe from active use, press the Archive button next to the recipe. Confirm the action by clicking Archive, and the recipe will no longer be active. To view archived recipes, switch to the Archive tab. To restore a recipe, press Restore and confirm. 4. Search recipes. To quickly find a recipe, use the search bar at the top of the recipe list. As you type, the system will auto-filter recipes to help you locate the one you need. In conclusion, managing your recipes efficiently ensures smooth workflow and consistent output. With these simple steps, you can maintain an organized system, enabling your team to focus on delivering quality results. Start managing your recipes today for a hassle-free experience.